Hey guys, so I got a new product here. It's the Echo Dot by Amazon. So let's check it out. Well, I think we can just rip it out. There you go. So let's get right into it, guys. So nice, you get the Amazon logo right here, the smiley face. And first thing you see is the actual product. So it's a very nice product. It definitely looks high-end. It's pretty heavy. And here it comes with this wrapping here. So let's take that off. This one will come off. There you go. So it comes with a fabric all around the edge, and it has the plus button to raise the volume, to lower the volume, to power on and off, and for the Bluetooth. And it has 4 little holes right here, and those are the 4 microphones that come installed in it, so you can hear your voice. So next thing you see is the Echo Dot pamphlets. So here has some instructions for installation. It says it comes with the power cord and installations to install it to your phone. And this other pamphlet here. Some manufacturing guidelines. And it comes here divided with this part right here. The Echo Dot goes on top, and next we have the power cord. So it's a very nice power cord, pretty big square here to connect it to the outlet. And here's the power cord, right? So this, you can connect it here to the back. So it has to connect it to power and an auxiliary too, if you wanna connect your phone to it or any other device. And yeah, that's what comes inside the box, guys. Thank you for watching.